Over drill number 2 for the screening test, which is the supine hip flexion test. So this one you can do on your own, lying down on your back. You're just gonna grab your knee or behind your knee and pull it up to your chest as far as you can. Perfect. So if you're tight here, if you feel any pinching in the side, this position could be limiting you in your squat. If you're not able to get that leg all the way up, that could be limiting your squat. So just a good screening test to know. The other thing we can do here is bring the leg back down a little bit, bring it out to the side just slightly, and then pull it back again. If that feels a little better, then you might do better with a wider squat. And then you can do it one more time, even out a little bit further to the side. If that feels like better, if you feel like you have more room there, then you may do better with a wider squat. So a good self-test. Again, one hip might be different from the other, so you're gonna wanna do the same thing on this side. Just pull it straight back, see how it feels there, see if you're getting a pinch, see if it's tight, pull it out to the side. And sometimes you'll find one area where it feels really good, and that's something you wanna try to, that's a position you wanna try to mimic when you're squatting. To follow up with that, a similar test that you can use either in combination or instead of the one we just did is the quadruped rock back. So you're gonna try to get your feet in a position that you normally would when you squat. So usually about shoulder width apart is what you want here. And then with your knees out just a little bit, try to rock back into your squat position. And then same thing here. If you're feeling tight on one side or the other, you can bring your legs in for a little more narrow squat, or your legs out for a little bit of a wider squat. And you can just play around with that position. It's just a screening tool, just to see if your hips might be limiting you for the squat, and to see what position feels better for you.